Right. I guess we should try to, I don't know if you had time, Alexi, to look at the PR with the current next script thingy.
Oh, I would review anyway the state of the next because I suppose there is some makings there. Oh, not sure. Or I left it for later.
Let's see. Oh yeah, I see there's been some, okay, let's see. I changed we base all on it. So this we take, okay. Okay, I see you commented to use datetime instead of hash.
Okay, so we should review the script.
Yeah, I was hoping like
What's our goal today and program minimum?
Yeah, the first priority is to get that add Travis next release script into Next and test that it automatically deploys. And if we make that work, just review like what is required for if there are any available PRs, try to merge them and see if it still works, kind of. And if we have even more time, review what is required to get that into master. But I suppose when things work in Next, it should work in master.
Maybe first try to dry run it right now.
I did. I have run it with. Yeah, but we can do it now. Yeah. Let's see. But do you want me to change to date time on the?
We can do it later.
Okay, cool. Let me share. Let's see. No, repo cooker. Oops. this Cerebral. And the way I have done this is because we have to run it on the next branch. So what I've been doing is that I have just gone to repo cooker and actually just copied the files. Where are we? Repo. There you are. Oops. Test. Cerebral scripts release. Let's see. Oh. And then git checkout next. Date. And then I just copy these into. Let's see. Test Cerebral scripts release. Move these. And add those ones. And when I now run release, oh yeah, sorry. There's one more thing. Cooker. It's now just release, and it points to index. Okay, npm run release.
It's diagram by default?
Yeah, you have to add what's it called? The command argument publish for it to actually publish. So what we see here is that it actually creates it uses next tag. And it
does it bumps version before before hash?
Before hash?
Is it tries to bump the version?
I'm not sure. Yeah, evaluate new version by package. That's the same. So the only thing that's different from next and master is that it adds this props hash currently.
I think if it could cause some problems here.
I
wonder if, because if I say that next branch could be written, history written, if at some point there was a breaking change and there was major bump, and after we decide to postpone it to after next release, it would resolve only to minor bump, and I think if it could cause some problems here because we have elder version published already, but at the same time I can see some problems. We will not publish it as latest. It will be only on next.
Yeah.
And we always can something like deprecate that if it will. Okay, so how easily uh, see which packages were bumped and to which version?
I guess we have to do a new dry run and look at the props. We can do that. Let's see. What was it? New version by package. Yeah, this is it. So it's
Firebase and router only?
Yeah, and Cerebral.
Cerebral router 1.1.
Mm-hmm.
And let me see here.
Mm-hmm.
So Firebase docs. Release Firebase fix docs website. Travis fix Firebase docs model docs API fix DevTools. What we check for deciding a package to bump passes, or that we write what we write in scope of commit? Changes files or commit message?
What do you mean? Like what decides the bump?
How would identify change that change were made in router and Firebase bypasses? I still haven't seen in deep.
Yeah, no idea. Evaluate version by package.
I think it's group commits by package.
Group commits by package. Oops. Oh yeah, how it checks the files. So it's cross commit. It just checks the files of the commit and then groups them by that.
Okay, and after that, in separate action, we just check type of the commit. Yes, feed.
Yes.
It's a wait, I suppose, new version.
Yes. It's
What the rules used?
I'm actually not sure. It's Kaspar that created this one. Evaluate version.
Oh, okay. We can see a test, I suppose.
Yeah, good point. Oh yeah, this is based on actually if it is minor major patch. Where does it evaluate semver by package? Semver is blah blah blah.
Semver types no, but minor major
Package index.
Feed and fix. And where we have a major, if is Big Bang props hash. What is it? Big Bang.
Yeah, I wondered about that as well. I think it's like from the beginning of time. So if it was the absolute, like the first.
Okay. And where we also have major bump. I see only fit minor fix to patch. Commit breaks length. Okay, major. And we have breaks somewhere early, I suppose, when we parse it.
Yes.
Okay. What about test here?
Let's see.
Yeah. And breaks is just a list.
Yes.
Breaks. Looks very nice.
Yeah, Gaspar has done an awesome job here. Just making it testable the way he did, it's really great.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Oh, hello. We're just reviewing a little bit.
Did we update the GitHub token name or not on Travis?
The NPM token?
No, the GitHub one.
Oh, yes. I'm very sure. I checked it by looking at my access tokens, and I have one for Cerebral release. So I'm very sure.
But I think we named it repo cooker GitHub token or something very long, and then we decided we should have it shorter. So do the name match now?
Oh, you mean, yeah. I'm actually not sure if that's changed.
Because I don't remember having changed anything.
I see 3 tokens, but maybe we should.
Oh, yeah. Repo cooker GitHub token.
So it's still this big long name, and
yeah.
We have not. We didn't change this for an option yet.
Yeah.
That was on the to-do list somehow. So we have to rename it like this on Travis, right? For now.
Well, I can't get a hold of the hash now, or like it seems that we do need to create one more.
We have to create another one. We cannot change the name of the variable, right? Yeah, because it's encrypted and so on. Yeah.
Yeah, and we could also, Alexei commented about using datetime instead of hash. So if we need to change that, we could just change this as well before we.
But the datetime is just part of the can we just write process on and then is it writable process env or not?
No idea. Never tried it.
Okay.
Well, I guess it is because like Webpack writes to it.
Wait, let me check. I'll just do a test here. Okay. So maybe for now we can just update the Cerebral script and just match process env with that, and also for the datetime thing, so we don't have to edit anything in the repo cooker, I think.
Yeah, I can do that.
Let me see process and
what was the next script?
Yeah, it's definitely writable.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can do this to create an alias for now. It should work.
Yeah.
So just before anything starts, maybe before
it seems that it's only the release that
we have to change it in the cooker, the cooker file, release cooker, because it has to be changed before we create the provider.
Yeah, okay, yeah, GitHub provider. Okay, I see.
Yeah, otherwise it will just raise an error.
I would suggest to still have this long name and make a priority to it, and use GH token as fallback, and first the option provided is just priority. Then we check repo cooker GitHub token, and if no option was provided, no repo cooker specific token was provided, we check the general GH token.
And yeah, I write an issue on repo cooker with that. Maybe we had one already. No.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get it. Repo cooker GitHub token. Cool. Yes, that should work.
Yeah. Yeah. And then we have to change this daytime thing. Yes, right.
Okay, we'll do that as well.
Okay. Then GH token, that's the one we use if nothing else, right? Like say.
Could you repeat?
So repo cooker GitHub token, then first option, then this long one, and then GH token, right?
Yes.
GH, yeah, okay.
So change hash to date now.
Yeah, but you have to. I was thinking date now.
Oh yeah, it's probably different for each one, like because it's.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I don't think it matters, does it? Or maybe we create it before we run it.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. It's funny.
Interesting.
I think we could keep it as it was before.
The hash?
So it will be created in the time of running a script. And I think it's okay.
Oh, you mean date now inside here?
Yes, I think it's acceptable here.
Okay.
If it's not exactly the same, doesn't matter. Well, it will be pretty much nearly the same, but I think we really don't care here. We could put math random.
It would be a time that when script was triggered. Not a time of action triggered, no matter.
Okay, so I changed the process end thingy.
Yes.
And change the date now. Should I update the PR?
Yeah, I think so. Did you dry run it?
Yes, we did.
And the December changes, that looks good.
Yeah, it's here. These are the ones we got.
Okay, so Firebase router. So router has a feature, right? That's it, and Firebase is just a fix.
Mm-hmm.
And I will
Okay. Nice. And yeah, only these packages are released, right?
Yes. Yeah, because that's what's also, I think maybe you answered it, but because it uses the tags of the repo, so it will always go back to the release tag, like the previous release tag, and then so if there are multiple PRs merged in, it will always kind of like re-release.
Yeah, from the latest big release. Yeah,
it's okay.
That was the idea. No, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have posted the link to Discord.
Oh, link to.
It's just comparing Next and Master. That's all.
Okay.
Oh. For now.
So this is all the commits that it has. It reads, right, to create the. Okay, so router has features, test, style, test, fix. Okay. Right.
Could we see a preview of possible release notes?
Yes. Let me do my hack. Yes. Faster now? Yeah. Oh, I always do that.
Should I regenerate tokens? So I can put a Cerebral JS user.
Next script.
Christian? Should I regenerate tokens? I can generate tokens for Cerebral JS user.
For Cerebral.
Special Cerebral user for publishing.
Yeah, you want.
Because now the token, the GitHub token is yours, or
yeah, it's mine. Yeah, you want to use the Cerebral one instead.
Yeah, that's fine. That's better.
Yeah.
So I keep only GH token now, yes?
Sorry, I'm concentrating. Okay, there. Yeah, but is it actually doing that in master now? Yeah, maybe it's old. Yeah. Release. Well, yeah. Yeah, of course. Like this doesn't help. Like there's no release notes for master because there aren't any changes there. And we don't create release notes for next. Should we do that?
Make only preview just for sake of curiosity.
Yeah, I can do it. Okay, then I have to change back to. Check out next. There we go, and then release index. Release, and then I just have to change the script. Let's see. Please all copy. What's it called? Gist? There we are.
Når Marianne snart skal flytte ut, er hun redd for at assistentene kun vil gå med til nødvendige kontekster med virke.
Kind of cool.
I'm not sure about the plural of fix, but it's correct in English. Fixes.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, one fix, two
fixes.
Right. Yeah.
What?
No,
I think we might have a better here.
Yeah, it's not.
We have a lot more commits.
But I think the core and test and style commits are not.
I think dogs and some others could be put in release notes, and anyway, it's good to mention all collaborators on committers.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
But it will not block our today release. It just seems to improve.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you had some good comments last time as well, Alexei, on improving the release notes. Did you make a list on that, Kaspar?
Yeah, I think so, but where is that? Yeah.
Well, we do have video
I'll have
recording.
To look for it, yeah. Definitely. Yeah.
Oh, cool. So it's running. You want to approve the review, Kaspar? I don't know if it's necessary.
Yeah, so it's on. Wait. It's on Cerebral, right?
Yeah.
Add Travis next release script. Yeah. So this is the one that is going to be pulled right in and produce the next thing, right?
Yes. I don't know what happens. Like, I suppose it doesn't release when this is merged, or how does that work?
when we merge this into Next, it will release.
Okay, cool.
That's the idea, basically. So, yeah.
But you mentioned tokens. Alexei, you want me to use a token from Cerebral, or did you change it?
A bit. I almost completed it.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
I have tokens.
So yeah, let me just check the files.
What happened to Gaspard? He's frozen. Oh.
Is it Norwegian TV on the back?
Yeah, it's the news. It's a dialect. I almost don't understand it either.
Another thing we can improve creating pre-release for Next on the GitHub as well. And also it will be a good place to preview release notes.
Yeah, good point.
There is an option there to mark it as a pre-release.
Yeah. Did you get that, Gaspard? Like, we could create the release notes and put them in with the next release, just mark it as a pre-release. There's an option for that in GitHub.
I'm afraid only one thing, it requires tagging.
Yeah, I think so. And it can be just something very close to one commit, one tag. So it's really a lot.
Yeah.
If we could erase this draft release or rewrite it all the time, that would work. But we would have to update the tag.
But it's not a good way to go because
yeah.
All clones of REPL will have these tags.
Yeah, no, I don't like this.
So there is not much chances that it would be pushed back, but it's not good as well. So we can live without it, I suppose.
Yeah.
and maybe create some temporary gifts.
Yeah, something like that. Maybe we could hook up a Discord bot or something. We should have that as well. So there's a message on Discord about the next release, and then that could include
yeah.
Or just run it before we decide prepare next to get into master. So not on each commit.
Oh yeah.
I'm looking at the Travis file. Why do we add git remote add auth? Why do we need this? This was for a website deploy, maybe.
Yeah. Yes, probably.
Okay, so we can leave that there for now, but it's not used, right?
Yeah, I was also wondering, because we do have npm run deploy now, which deploys the website. Should we just add, like, we don't have to do it now because it should only be deployed with master, but should we just add run npm script factory in repo cooker and just run that script, the deploy script?
Yes, especially I think we should keep this Travis thing as simple as possible, like Alexei said. I think it makes sense.
I think we don't need now remote add owls. I should check it because it's not about website.
Okay, so we don't need
it
it.
was something like tagging on my release script.
Okay, so Christian, can you just remove everything there that's not needed, and we can put it back if we need it? I think it's nice if we don't have. So that means the thing that is commented and this git remote add. So this
next script ready. Yep, I can. Okay, so basically remove.
Remove just leave the echo thing and the npm run release.
Wait, just wait. How we tag and push from repo cooker tags? Or do we do it now in master?
I didn't get the question.
We made a release, I think, from Christian's PC.
Yes.
There was set up authenticated remote, and it worked for him, but it wouldn't work on Travis because Travis clones a read-only URL. But it also not blocks now because we have no tagging in next branch.
Yeah. But do you mean that we need?
We will need the same setup for publishing from master, but maybe not in the Travis YAML file. Just make it possible from repo cooker action.
Okay. So I should still remove the git remote add auth?
Yeah, just drop it.
Yeah, cool.
And also the comments, because we will be running that from the script itself.
Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, so only echo and npm run release.
Yeah, that's good.
Continue. Origin, next script. Okay, that's been pushed now.
Okay, so refresh.
Oh, I have to wait for Travis.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's better. Cool. Okay, good. Stack. Dex. Repo cooker GitHub token. Yes. Yeah. What the temperature latest? Next. Yeah, looks good to me.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so. And then in like 15 minutes, I'll be an idiot, but but yeah, it's fine. Chubby. All green. Yeah.
Greenage.
Who hits?
Oh, there's so much.
I'm always wondering who pays for the electricity of these tests.
The electricity?
Yeah, you know, like the nuclear plants running to test open source software.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, it take quite some energy.
Yeah, that's true.
Like if you look at all the tasks Travis is running, it's really impressive, actually.
Yeah.
So, but I know that in Germany they have so many windmills, yeah, that they have to use railways to they heat the railway to when they have too much energy, so they could do testing. Like when it's daytime and there's wind and there's sun, they have so much solar and wind energy that they have to somehow lose it, so they heat the rail tracks.
Oh.
Because in the winter they have to do this, so they use this thing to just push out energy that they don't need.
Oh.
So yeah, they could maybe do testing.
You should send them an email.
Yeah, please. Okay, it's still not finished. Wow. Yeah, I think we should find a way to have coverage run during testing, because it's doing testing twice. It's a waste, I think.
Yeah, that's a waste.
I'm not sure about it.
If it's possible, you mean?
Okay, we have green tests and I have approved review.
Yeah.
Okay. Who wants to? I think Gaspard should have the honor, because he's been doing so much awesome work on the repo cooker.
No, I don't have the green button, but
it's already green.
But I want to just. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, I can share my screen.
So,
though it should not be squash and merge. It should be.
It could be both squash or a base.
There's nothing to squash. It's one commit.
Squash, we can we will get automatically issue number added, and we can edit commit message right here. With rebase, we just rebasing.
Okay, so what do we want? Squash or rebase?
Anyone?
Rebase. I don't understand squash, so let's do rebase.
Okay, should I click then?
Yes. Good.
And it's to next, yes. Okay.
What is under the green button you have here? Is it some add-on?
What green button?
Connect this pull request with an existing issue. I can see it for me.
Oh. Oh yeah, I think this is like I'm using what's it called? It's like a Git add-on. Oh man, I don't remember.
It's green button.
Yeah. Confirm. Okay, hopefully we have everything ready.
So can we see if there's a Travis thing running now?
Yeah.
So this is, maybe I can look for it. So this thing is actually publishing, right?
Yes.
Well, after testing.
Hopefully.
Interesting. The first time I saw this console into the web page, I was very impressed.
Yeah. Maybe I can demo. I'm working on I have a little pet project, and it's actually, it's like a game engine thingy and it's actually running on Cerebral. The really cool thing is, it's like pixel stuff, and it has its own design tool. So, and the cool thing is that you kind of like you draw your kind of like your tile with normal pixels, and you have crazy shortcuts to delete pixels and change brightness and stuff. But what it does when you draw on it, it actually creates a height map out of those pixels. So you can then go in and you can change the height map pixels, which will then in turn illuminate the tile for you based on distance from like the light source and the height map. And it's actually prepared for collision map as well. And the really cool thing is that, for example, let's see, sand 1 here. If I make a change to this now, and it actually automatically reloads the game because it's using Webpack and it's just writing to JSON files. So it's like super effective way to work on like pixel games. Cool?
Yeah. Pixel games.
Yeah, pixel games are awesome. Okay, the tests ran. Oh, like when we get to this step here, where we actually, when we kind of like approve something, and we can just click that button, and even if we get like Discord notification, and people would just be notified like, oh, hey, there's a new update to the Next. Use @next to install the latest.
I think at Next we'll update so often that nobody will read this because it's like every time we merge something. So
yeah, that's true.
We need this for master, but not Next. I think.
Yeah, that's a good point. But that's also going to be super nice to more easily verify the.
There is kind of user that like to live on bleeding edge.
Bleeding edge.
What do you want to do with your game? What's the project?
It's actually, I'm not sure. I don't know where it came from. Just had some ideas and I wanted to try it out. And also like check how Cerebral would look with game logic. Because it's a very different way of programming. So The way it looks now is you kind of like, when you fire up, it's just a Cerebral module. And then you kind of like fire up initialized. And then you have, you just run a signal where you can, for example, when I draw the level, you can tell pixels that on each frame, and you name it, and you have some logic related to that. So every request animation frame, it runs this logic. And then you can, of course, remove it again when you don't want to do it anymore. So the idea is to like handle input as normal, not having like it's just signals, and then you turn on and off these frame logic snippets kind of thing.
So you're actually running the frame update through Cerebral, right?
Yeah. So what was kind of like, this was just my initial approach. I have not played too much around with the API, but it's been working fine this far at least. But like with the Cerebral debugger, it doesn't help. Like I had to turn it off. There's so much stuff going on. So
because I did with Lucidity, I have like the runtime is separate from Cerebral.
Yeah,
it's on another loop.
Okay. Yeah.
And I created a kind of tool for composition for game engines.
Mm-hmm.
That's super fast. That means like you create a wall, and then, for example, you want your wall to inherit the death feature, so that if something hits the wall, it dies. And so you just create an object that has wall and death, and it's basically copying the methods from the kind of modules.
Mm-hmm.
And it's super nice. So actually, it's very simple.
I have to send you a link. One of my first open source experiences was working on like a game library called Molecule.js.
Okay.
And let's see.
I think the
guys,
we had an error. Cannot find.
Guys.
Yes, it broke.
we have a problem.
Where is it?
Open and
It's in Cooker.
open.
It's how we. Yeah. Fuck. We forgot to remove to change how it finds the repo Cooker. It's ...
Oh,
should be repo Cooker.
but where is the error? I can't see it there.
Open and this line, yes.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
So
we have to do
Another pull request. Or just,
another pull request with it.
zero push to next.
Yes, and we push it, and it works.
Okay, I just make a change directly on next.
Yeah, you just edit this little thing and make a pull request with that.
Is it will you have allow push to next?
And git pull maybe. Yeah, you did that. Okay.
But do you want me to create a branch on it, or should I just change?
No. You have to create a branch.
Oh, sorry.
I think so. Yeah. Fix.
Okay.
Too many decisions to make when we program.
But where is?
It's in Cooker.
No.
Maybe it's in. You have some alias in Babel? No.
Yeah.
Module alias. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Let's remove that then. Should I remove the module alias as well then, I guess, from package?
Yes, probably. Yeah, that was nasty enough that we forget about it. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Sure. Release. Remove alias of repo cooker alias and related. Fix. Anyone want to review?
You've pasted the. What's wrong with my thing? I pasted this project, the Forge thing.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
By the way, I'm just going to find this.
So it has basically this thing lets you create events or hooks into modules, and then you can like have things happen when other events trigger events. For example, the wall that's making you die. It will trigger the death event, for example, and then you can have other parts of your logic that registers to this event.
Oh yeah.
So it's basically an event machine based on each object.
Forge. That's a powerful word.
Yeah.
Sound like one of the dwarves in Lord of the Rings or something.
Yeah, but I created to the game with like physics, particles, with the Wiimote. You could play with the Wiimote, the game, and 3D rendering. It works really nice. The nice thing is it scales very well.
Yeah.
So that's a pet project, but I'll definitely use it again if I create games.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a ton of it's really fun to one of my motivations was that I didn't want to use something that was not really about the game. First of all, it was like having the freedom to do exactly what you want, kind of. And it's just, I think like building game engines is such a good like mental training, especially if you have an idea and then how do you, for example, this game here, you can kind of like, it actually builds a level in state, but it only renders where the camera is, kind of. And then these small details where you make the camera act as an object which has acceleration and is kind of like affected by friction and stuff to get this like, it's kind of like following you kind of thing. And there's so many tiny details to games that makes them fun to play.
Yeah. Yeah, I was really looking into something like for my framework. I looked at every framework that I saw, but they were doing too much.
Mm-hmm. Have you seen Play Canvas?
No. I did this like a year or 2 years ago, so maybe it's a new one.
This is just crazy. I actually have an account there. I think I logged in with Google, didn't I? Yeah. Projects. Editor. And it's in the browser. Like, you can be like positively surprised by code editors in the browser, but this is a freaking game engine 3D crazy stuff. It's pretty amazing what they've been able to do. And you can you can add script and stuff. And then you have like a code editor for the script, and here you have like all the cool stuff. It's just insane. and they actually have some web VR stuff as well. But this is like, I think I was really impressed by like Google Docs and spreadsheets and stuff, and I still am. But like this thing here, it's pretty amazing, and it's live. So if I share this with you, I see everything you do, like moving stuff around in the 3D world and everything.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, the web is the future assembly.
Yeah.
So this is the test on the PR, right?
Yep.
It's already nudged, and we're waiting for a release right here.
Oh, you merged it. Okay.
Oh, so this is the merge we're seeing now.
Oh.
Okay, so you merged the branch directly. Okay.
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 Fast. And
What is it doing now? Strange. What is this?
God
boy.
damn.
Cannot find module repo cooker.
I suppose it's not in.
Package JSON.
Oh, it's not in packages.
Okay, it's there.
But it's here.
Let me see. Can I install it?
Oh, is it? Is there something wrong with the package? Oh, maybe it's missing like a main entry or something. I did add it though.
Let's try to remove non-models and npm install.
Yeah. Repo cooker main.
But there is no lib here.
There is no lib. Oh, that's the reason.
Because main file is like lib index or something like that.
But why doesn't it have the lib folder?
Because it's not bullet.
Oh no, we're ignoring it. npm ignored lib. Because I did build it and I was sure that it was there.
I think we could skip a bundle for such tools. No, we have import there.
But do we need to build it? I don't think so.
Yeah, because it's.
At least we have imports. And
yeah, and we run it with Babel node right now. Yeah.
But if should I just remove lib and
republish?
Yeah, because then we can just rerun the test, right? No,
yes.
will it install one?
And when repo cooker will be published with repo cooker?
It should be now. Yeah. Anyway.
But do we have like, oh shit.
We have easier setup. It's only one purpose repo.
No, but Alexei, I think we need to move repo cooker into monorepo, no?
Yeah, in some nearest future, I suppose, when we can move actions to such packages that combined by some purpose, or maybe too opinionated.
Okay, because we do have pre-publish npm run build. Okay, so if we, where is it? Where is npm ignore? It's not here.
Maybe you have a files section in package.json. Do you have files here?
Files? No.
No. Maybe you have some npm ignore or in parent directories.
That would surprise me. No.
Maybe in your home folder.
How do I get there? Here?
But maybe you created this npm ignore file just for release and you just deleted it when you reset. Is that possible?
No.
Because it's not in the repo.
Just open git ignore. It's used as npm ignore when git
okay.
ignore is missing.
Okay.
No. Keep it in git ignore.
And
just create npm ignore.
Oh yeah, and
and fill it with src test.
Slash. Yeah, before yeah, all of them. Yeah.
I hope not models ignored by default.
And not modules.
Yeah,
it's ignored.
Just keep it.
Okay.
No. It's just I like to sort them alphabetically.
But RC config is also.
Okay.
Another option is to define files and only point to lib.
Yeah.
Okay.
But let's do it like this.
Should I? Is it?
No,
okay?
no, it's fine. Yeah.
Huh?
No. I think we still have like 2 hours to midnight on my side.
Local commits.
Yeah, you too.
Git push to publish your local. What's that?
You have 2 commits ahead of master already now.
How can I have that?
Git log. What do you have there?
Yeah, what's this? You have to. Did you commit your changes now or?
I stashed them.
So wasn't it?
You stashed them. Just you have to remove this merge commit. I don't know what's this.
Or how do I do that?
Git reset head -1. Git reset head -1 minus hard.
Head.
Head -1 minus hard.
Okay.
Is it what we tried to achieve?
I think so.
Git pull. No, that's really bad. No, just do git log. Let me check. Yeah, git log, and then you copy the commit hash 71EB. Not the second, not this one, the other one. The full one, you don't have the 7. Yeah. What I do is I just in the terminal.
So maybe you just haven't pushed something, because master of repo cooker is on added by branch action now.
The master is 71EB. That's right. So Christian, you just do Do you have an editor in your terminal that you can use?
Almost. I think I'm managed with V.
And there is a release jar branch with 3 commits ahead of master.
No, there was some confusion on the way the branch will merge, and I fixed it so that I had to force the change. But Christian,
I just remove the folder and then check it out again.
Yeah,
that's
you can
what
do that. No, but you stashed your changes. Well,
it's
just
changes.
Okay, like you want, how you want. I just did. I would edit the ref in Git, but anyway.
It sounds complicated.
I think master have no latest Christian commit with main and 1.0 version.
Okay. Repo cooker. Cooker, check out fix. What's that?
Origin fix, I think. I don't know.
Okay. Oh yeah, I have to open it again. Cooker. How do you do? Should I change the version already? Oh no, it doesn't have the latest one.
Yes, and the main also missing.
Yeah, but that was fixed in
another branch.
Yeah, it's a pull request. Maybe we can just pull that in.
Just stop.
Mm-hmm.
Just continue editing. Just do it again, and we'll push it.
Do you usually put the version like?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Pull, and then it was add. And ignore. Oh.
You just need to save. That's Atom doing its thing.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, that's it.
I think so.
Yeah.
C'est le prof de ma soeur.
You want me to merge that into master before releasing, or should I just publish?
Push it to master first.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will.
Anyone want to?
I can do this. Boom.
It's a bit wrong way to publish, by the way. You should switch to master, pull from GitHub when PR is merged, and only after that to run publish, because it will point to wrong commit message now.
Mm-hmm.
Commit hash, I mean.
Let's see. I do have the latest now.
Git log.
Have you pulled? Okay.
Yeah, I pulled it. Yeah, so it's published under 1.0.1. But will Travis install 1.0.1? It does that with the tilde thing, or the arrow, or what's it called?
Carrot, I think.
Carrot, yeah, that's the word.
Just restart do.
Restart. That's encouraging. Hooray.
Ah, you can just restart, right? That's
Yeah.
cool. It's funny, these names. It's now trusty, and it used to be precise. So now it's not precise anymore. But it's trusty. We have to do, like the Linux name. So now we can trust it, but it's not precise anymore. So it's pretty bad. I don't know which one I prefer. If I prefer the untrusty one but precise, or the other one.
Yeah, I wonder who came up with these.
It's really bad. It's a horrible idea.
Yeah, it is.
Please stop using precise. Yeah.
Yeah, and how do they come up with
Like
trusty?
It just in order of first letter. Next one is something on U, and between P and T there was R. And some animal, of course. It's Ubuntu.
Do we have a log of the installs? Install. Oh, something else. That's there we have it. npm install. Cooker. Oh well. Oh well. Oh well.
Can you see it? No. npm install. Did you see which one was installed?
Why we still have? Okay.
It's not available yet.
We will see now in build cache.
God damn it! What the hell is this?
I suppose it just used
the one it had.
The cache. The cache.
Oh yeah.
So we have to prune the cache.
Can we do that?
Yes, we can. There was caches button there in hamburger menu. Caches.
Oh.
Next.
Oh, pushes. Oh no, it's doesn't say to be npm cache.
Yeah, just drop it.
Delete all repository caches. That's it.
It's also yes. Just hit delete all.
Okay.
Thank you so much, caches. Again.
And again. Hooray!
Did you see this guy who released like tons of packages on npm that are called like famous libraries, but they're not, and he was just stealing end variables?
Cross-end was hit by it.
Yeah, and like jQuery,
yeah,
like old misspellings and things like that.
I have a hard time finding the, like, why do people do that?
Well, because if you get tokens, then you get access to computers, then you get access to more computers, and then you can, like earn money doing stuff with the
yeah,
botnet.
But like if you have the knowledge to do something that clever, I don't think like you should.
Yeah, well, what I know is people in some countries, like if you have talent, there's nobody paying you for your talent, so you just end up doing random stuff like that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because there's no good other opportunity actually.
Yeah.
And maybe some guys have been doing this for so long and they're really well paid.
Yeah.
Because like it's a door to a door to a door to a door, and then suddenly you can deep into some system, and yeah. Maybe it's fun too. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
Like it's trying. You do stuff, and sometimes and suddenly it works. But maybe there are people that are have a good job, but they're bored and they do this on as a side project, like to hack into places.
Yeah, maybe not even use it for anything, just to see if it works.
Yeah, maybe. Or maybe to just get into computers and make them create bitcoins. Molecule. So that was this project.
Yeah. It was actually my first pull request, was fixing some I don't even remember, but it was kind of cool because his name, what's his name? Francisco. He was from Spain, lived in Madrid, and and I was working on like business types of apps. So we kind of like merged ideas on how to build games. We actually built a game as well. I'm not sure if I have any video, but we hooked it up to like this tile building tool.
I'm a huge fan of ASCII games, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because I don't know, there's something like the aesthetics of ASCII levels and
Yeah, I think
Deadly Bush.
Yeah, I think it was Return of the Deadly Desert Bushes or something. It was kind of cool. I just winged the presentation. Yeah, making games is fun, though. Like, it's really hard to debug games. Do you know if that's in general, Gaspar? Like debugging games, or is it just because we don't have good tools on the web for it?
Actually, I don't really know. Because, I mean, doing live shows is exactly like doing games. Instead, in front of a show, but the logic is quite the same, like the engines. And debugging is always pretty hard. But I know this guy created this feature of time travel. That's really used in some games because you record keystrokes and some states, like you take snapshots, and then you can replay parts of the game. And this is really nice because you can change stuff and see with the same keystrokes if it works or not, and so on.
One.
That's cool.
Yeah, I saw there's this guy who was it called Braid? This one guy who built everything by himself, has been in the game industry for a long time, and then he built this game, and he's actually had some presentations on it because he was like exceptionally effective at building the game, and it uses this time travel thing.
Okay, what's the name of the guy?
Let's say Braid presentation. He also made this game, The Witness, if you know about that. John Blow is his name.
Okay, so I think we're ready to get started now. So
I did this hand. It's like this example. It's about.
Yeah, there's.
It opens in this one too, right?
Great game.
Can you post? Yeah, I'll check that out. So it's running now.
Let's see.
I think the other thing that is really fun to do is creating, how do you call that, visuals in 3D, but totally on the shader.
Mm-hmm.
So you just do you could just create a math function that creates your whole scene.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So it's just density. It's pretty fun. It's like difficult to have something that you master totally, but the errors are really impressive. So, uploading archive. Oh no!
Something wrong
What
with
the
it.
hell is happening?
God, it's not Git.
Oh.
Shit.
Okay,
What the hell?
that's for tomorrow.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Not fun.
But this has to. Oh, is this like? Should we contact Travis about this?
Not sure. I think we could try. Going back to
I think we should check NotGit if they have compile issues on Travis themselves. Do they use Travis?
Travis builds, yeah. Well, it's
Yeah.
pretty old. Probably a duplicate.
Build passing.
Try build only true.
Travis, NotGit.
This seems to be a solution for someone else, at least.
30. So they have this export.
Should we just add it as a environment variable and try again?
You mean the?
Yeah, like in. Oh my god! Oh, like in here.
Wait.
Mm-hmm.
There is an add-on that we can define in Travis YAML, I suppose. Just scroll down the same issue. A bit up. Stop here.
Mm-hmm.
It's for Travis YAML.
Oh, okay. Add-ons. Is that another PR then?
But then we have to put this in the docs for the repo cooker. That's annoying.
It's not for Repo Cooker, I'm afraid. It's for Travis. It's for Cerebral.
Oh.
Oh, let's try with. Let's start with. Yes.
This one? Just add it. Add it.
It will not require display value in build log. We could enable it. Oh wait. Could you hit F5 here?
I don't have F5 on my Mac.
Command R.
Refresh it?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Now it looks the same as mine. Okay.
Restart.
This is for. We have to document the. I'm saying. I'm cranking team an issue. Use NotGit in Repo Cooker, and everyone who's got that on Travis will have the same problem.
Oh, we should probably delete the cache again.
No.
No?
But Not sure.
So braid. What's the? Ah, you posted the video on.
Yeah.
Cool. I'll check that out later.
It's pretty cool stuff. Oh my god. Oops.
You have an elephant in your home?
It was not here. I guess it was a Russian elephant.
So it's definitely not me. So that's the build step. What's this for? Build cache.
Ой, блин. Что не сказал, что...
Not sure if cache must be dropped because I can't see not-git was compiled or what it was required for.
So because we have those. We should also move the pre-publish link and stuff that we have in scripts into repo cookers and the.
Did you join the recent ML, Kaspar, in Bratislava?
Sorry?
There's a workshop in Bratislava on Friday morning about recent ML, the Facebook React thingy.
I don't know. I don't even know if I can attend because yeah, talking about the conference, and I didn't buy the ticket, and now it's really too expensive for me.
You didn't buy a ticket.
I'm not sure, but probably this reasonable workshop doesn't require main ticket.
Okay, so yeah, in this case.
Yeah. Should I try to clear it and try once more?
At least it didn't ask me account or something to prove that I already have a ticket for the main conference. It just allowed me to buy a workshop ticket.
Okay. So yeah, I think tomorrow. No.
Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
That's when we dream to have a farm of computers.
Yeah. It's so crazy. I built this forms library for React a long time ago. And it's like crazy popular. Like, I wish this was the numbers for Cerebral. And I don't think I don't think it's any good. Like, it's a bunch of internal magical state inside of React, and it even like it has React create class. Like, it's super old, and it's just a form where you can.
Let's put advertisement here at the top.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be smart.
Yeah, we'll have crazy numbers of Cerebral will come, I'm sure.
Hmm.
And then we'll have so many people in the chat asking for help, and then so many pull requests. So you'll have 15.
Christian, do you have any plans to make a new write-up about new Cerebral and its positioning as declarative framework?
It's a good question. I haven't thought of any angle yet. Like, I did try a couple of times, with like function tree to get some attention around it, but yeah, maybe it should be yeah. And then there was like the comparison with Redux and MobX. Yeah, I'm constantly like trying to figure out what makes people understand the difference.
I think it's a good time to throw a translation into Hubber too.
Yeah.
I can use all the published articles about latest second case for function tree and Cerebral, but maybe new write-up will fit better.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Maybe I can take the approach of what we're doing on the front page now, kind of like, because there are so many terms in programming, and like I think a lot of developers are a bit confused by all this functional, reactive, functional, and declarative, imperative, and all this stuff, and like take it from the perspective of that everybody writes like that's the first thing you learn is to write declarative code, like with HTML and stuff, and kind of like make people understand that we don't usually do that when we write business logic, kind of thing. Should we see somewhere?
Yes, so somewhere here.
Yeah, so this is new. Hopefully that works.
It was not Git entries previously too, but I think it could be not the same.
Yeah, building from source. Yeah. Hopefully this works.
Okay, looks like something happening now.
Oh, did you see that one, Gaspar? Since you were so impressed by the console, you can follow it. I'll play my game.
So this black dot is a person?
Oh, I actually want to create like a tank game. I want to explore ways of like subtle animations and stuff to kind of make it feel like you're like the weight of a tank, like it's super heavy. So like now it's just floating around like the black black dot, but when it's a tank, like get this feeling of moving a big heavy thing.
Current setup reminds me more of something like Agar.io.
What?
A-G-R Agar A-G-A A
Age.
A A
Aga.
yes, Agar.io. R. There was a suggestion. Yes, R here. R.
Aga.
Okay, yes.
Is it a game? Let's guess. Oh yeah, this one. Yeah. Oh, it just falls. Yeah. I remember I saw someone playing this. Like, should I try to find circles with my? Oh shit! He ate me, that fucker. Oh shit! Look at this guy. That's kind of sad having that big. They're trying to eat each other. That's funny. Oh shit. It's a brilliant game though. Like it's so simple. Like the smaller you are, the faster you move, and then oh shit, look at that guy.
I think also adds great experience to gameplay when you
But how many people are? Oh, 98. Are there like 100 people on a server? Oh, I'm at the edge now. Oh, maybe I can just.
I think there's 100 people. You're 1988 now.
Yeah, because I kick ass.
But you know that there's a lot of techniques. If you can, and then you can give some part of your size to others, and then you can team up together.
Oh, did you see that? I ate. Oh, I ate him.
Wow, bio reset.
Node is still compiling now.
I think we have to replace this node thing with just too much. Fuck.
Oh, what happened now?
This green thing just splits you into many little things.
Oh, is that a good thing or?
It depends.
It's horrible. What the hell?
Oh, he's hitting my. What the fudge? How did he do that? Crap game.
Is it so complicated to have not Git library? It's just, I don't get it.
And the bad thing is that anyone who want to use Repo Cooker have to compile.
Yeah, that's horrible. But The other solution is to use Git, but then we have to parse output, and it's a mess. So
hopefully it would be cached and wouldn't require so much time every time.
yeah, but this is really just
Really huge.
Though it might be
annoying
like
as hell.
you could just, if this one works, you could just document it.
I think it also would require this builds. I mean, it would also compile.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's compiled first the SSH library. I don't know why, and then the whole Git stuff.
Because Git depends on SSH, maybe.
Yeah, but what I don't get is that doesn't the Git command has a lib somewhere? Like the Git exec is just no.
I don't know.
Like we're on Linux, right? So we should be able to just do apt-get install libgit2, and that would be enough. It's just, I don't know. But yeah. First, the docs for node-git were horrible, like totally unusable. I had to use the Lua to understand how this thing works. Because the docs for Lua are better than node-git. Now this. Yeah.
Oh, I think there is an easier way.
Oh, it seems to be past it now, at least.
Maybe we can use this. I'm pasting the link on Discord. So maybe using this lib standard would prevent the whole build stuff, you mean?
It's very, this is exactly what we want, isn't it? The goal.
Yeah, this I don't know how well this thing works. I mean, you know, yeah, but this could work, yeah.
Well, it was working.
It seems we need to set up that entire YAML, and it also suggested a node-git readme. You can open a link in the Discord that I just pasted.
So we do this instead.
My link. Click it. Yes. And in Travis, we should add add-ons section.
Oh yeah,
And remove probably
build thingy.
yes, environment variable.
Yeah. But why didn't it find? Oh, actions. Yeah, we need.
We should put it into Cerebral repo.
Oh yeah, you mean the
Travis YAML and Cerebral repo.
But like the problem now was related to could not find repo cooker / actions. That's not the.
Wasn't a non-git error anymore.
But this is because doesn't it understand that when we have lib / index?
It's just because it doesn't go through. It results from root anyway. It wouldn't go into lib for the whole. So either you should have entry points like Cerebral.
Have an alias, yeah.
Yeah, like
Yes.
in the root. And then the
module export.
actions.
Yes.
Amazing. Yeah, I guess that's it. The helpers are only internal. Yeah.
Yes.
But we have to delete the cache again, which means
No. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Yes, we have. But then can we use the other solution? Maybe that's a nice idea to test this.
It could be faster.
Yeah.
Oh yes, because it's going to just install the package from Debian repository.
Could maybe
Okay,
one of you
make both not drop cache, but we can update not only Travis YAML file, but also upgrade dependency in package.json.
Yeah.
So to force it. So let's just release repo cooker first.
But this looks right.
Yeah.
Cool. Where are you? Repo cooker.
Just push it to master directory.
Okay. Publish and then
package.json. Have a bump version.
Oh, I did manually. So it's out. Cerebral Travis. We don't have add-on. Just add it.
Yes. No. Yes. Stop. Apt should be under add-ons. Yes.
There's no crazy. Yeah. It should be. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Cool.
Package JSON.
Yes, repo cooker. Okay. For release. Yeah. Cool. And then remove the
Stop. You don't need to remove cache. Just yes. Okay.
Yeah. Cool. Done. Is it? Should we refresh, restart? Oh,
I did it again already.
okay, cool.
Okay. That's it. So it's our.
So should we delete it? No, it doesn't matter.
No, keep it.
Oh. All right. I just have to find some food. I'll be right back.
So my Wi-Fi made some hiccups. So this is with the new setup.
Also, a bad thing about having to compile a node-git is that it will compile even when we don't need it. When we only need tests, and a cache would be dropped, for example, we would compile it on Travis.
But is this the sorry, my Wi-Fi was out. Did you merge these changes in just now?
Yeah.
But why don't I see it? Like if I refresh this. Okay, so this is the one running now. Okay, and it did it. It's not compiling this time, right?
No.
Yes, it took it from cache.
Ah, so it's we don't know if this.
Yeah, let know it next time.
Okay.
That's done.
Mm-hmm.
But how do we know if it took the repo cooker from cache? How you changed the dependency in package JSON? Okay. Yeah, this is called the demo effect. Works on your computer, but nowhere else.
What? Object not found. Is this a commit? Hash?
What's this? B098.
Is it trying to grab the? It's found it.
Ah, when we check, yeah, Jesus. When Travis checks out, it just takes a shallow copy of the full Git repo. It doesn't go deep. So that's what this is probably.
Oh.
So we have to change the settings so that it does a checkout that's deeper than what we have here.
Is it
I don't know. Build system, adding apt source. So that's the thing. But anyway. Alexei, do you know where it does this?
Trying to Google it now.
Okay. Git clone depth 50. That should be enough.
Not sure, because there was 40 with something commits, and we just added several now. We can just reopen the same link to compare branches.
So, what's the name of the commit? B098.
It's 44 commits. Oh, no, 25 commits. And why 50 is not enough?
B098.
It's
Allow.
previous release.
That's old. Why is it? This is after. I don't understand. Because yeah, there's a lot of commits. Yeah, it's not getting deep enough.
Why? But we have only 25 commits on Next that goes over master.
But we have to. But is master the release tag? No.
Yeah.
Are you sure? No. Master is way ahead of the release.
But Next includes all, including master.
No, here I have. Let me share my screen. Where did you do this? Share screen. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yep.
So this is here. This is. I'm on master, and this is the depth where it has to go. This is the latest release, and we have all of this on top.
Latest release was 25 commits ago.
Okay, so but no, it's here. There's one here. But no, wait.
Oh, sorry. Yes, 65.
I think it's more than that. No.
Something wrong here because according to GitHub release, it's E65A197.
That's the.
And what returns npm for hash of latest release?
Maybe I'm way behind. But what's sure is that I don't know. So this is.
I think the problem is because publish was made from Christian's machine, and actual commit is not the same as real published.
Not sure what you mean.
I mean that when Christian published from his machine,
Yeah.
there was one hash, and we have another tagged.
Let me check out the branch. So it's called. So this is next branch. Next, yes. Origin master.
Where do we look up hash for latest release?
It's in. Wait.
You mean which action?
I mean, where it, which source is used to get?
we list the tags, and then we find the latest one, and that's how we get the hash.
Get
Yeah.
latest hash. Get latest tag matching.
I pasted the code on.
Is it possible that we have a wrong sort on tags?
You mean the tag is not in the? No, it's.
I think it tries to sort them, and the first release is much longer than 50 commits ago.
Okay. So we have to say that if it cannot resolve it, it's old and it should ignore it, right?
Maybe the get latest tag matching name is trying to sort.
Get latest tag matching name, yeah. So there's a lookup here where we try to find the ID, because yeah, we have no clue when we get the tags. We don't know in which order they are. So maybe we should sort them alphabetically because we have the date in it.
Yes, and also maybe using date of commit is not a good way because it could be set to anything.
Yeah. So what do we do here? We just sort them alphabetically.
Yes.
So Christian, let me fix this.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'll do a pull request.
Should we clean the cache on Travis, or should we make another?
There is new repo cooker and upgrade. Oh, yeah, we can try it and check the new setup as well, but it will last longer because it probably would compile again.
It should not compile because it should get from apt.
It gets from apt only building tools, not Git itself.
No, but Git is not the one that takes long to build, or I mean, not too much.
Something tells me that we will get this compile again if it drops the test.
So
to avoid it now, we could bump in package this on again, or just test new way to in Travis YAML and check what will happen.
Yeah, I have no strong opinion.
It depends on how much time we can spend now.
Well,
so if we sort alphabetically, that means the last one will be last, and then so we should sort reverse and find the first one matching, right? Yeah.
Wow, they're actually rebooting DuckTales.
What?
They're rebooting DuckTales, like Disney DuckTales.
Ah,
Yeah,
haven't heard it.
that's amazing. They even revamped the theme song and everything. Wow, sweet. Okay, should I add repo cooker version bump package JSON to Cerebral Next? Probably save us some time.
Yeah.
I'll do that. Oh, just 2 sec.
Yeah.
Gaspard? Can you check other actions if they could try to access something in history? I just trying to observe this commit hash that were in Travis error, and it wasn't tagged at all, so it might be not related to that exact action.
Did you say something?
Yes.
Sorry.
I asked you to check other actions if they could be the source of the same problem, because I just checked the hash that was outputted by Travis, and
Yes.
it wasn't tagged.
No,
So
no, but
it probably could be other actions that could cause the same problem.
no, but the problem, yeah, let me check. I think it's walking history too far, but why? I don't know. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, I'll see. I'll go through them. Yeah.
And anyway, we should somehow to fix this problem at the root, because at some time we will have next with more than 50 commits anyway.
So we have to change it on Travis if we can, right?
It's just settings in Travis YAML depths, git depths.
Okay.
We'll put it on Discord.
Okay, so this one is fixed. Which one could be? So I'm not sure I can guess if it's going to break or not. Like the only place we have is when we go through the history. Maybe get branches. Get branches could fail. But like Alexei, do you think it will have the branch reference without the commits? Could be. Yeah.
Я мы тоже проснулась. Все, батюшка. Лёш, вот тебя написано.
Any use?
Sorry?
Any use?
Yeah, I fixed this, but I'm not sure where else it can happen. Like, we also resolve the commits, and maybe if we have a branch there that is older, could make problems, but I'm not sure it would be fetched. So I don't know. I think we could have like branches there that are with old commits. I don't know. So this should be checked also, so that if it fails, we just ignore the branch.
I'm not sure it's about branch. This commit in history is just some random.
Yeah, it's just there.
Maybe it's exactly 50.
I just push this forward and then we test again.
How much comments on the page?
the problem here. Cannot it. Oh, Jesus. Okay.
It's about 52 or 52nd or 53rd, I suppose. So it's not exactly 50th or 51. It's very strange that we got this comment.
Yeah.
It's not target. It's not a branch.
But should I also bump the version number in my change so that Christian can just release it?
Yep.
So this would be 103, right?
Right. Oh, we have a Henry here.
Okay, so this is pushed on to a new branch. So
Hi, Henry.
Hey.
hey, guy.
Hey. How are you working?
Yeah, it's a mess. Okay.
All looks ready, but something not working.
Okay, so I'm putting this on Discord. I just merged it in, I think. Yeah. So is Christian gone?
I think he's with Emma.
Okay. Can you yeah, well, we'll wait for him to publish the...
I think I have no rights on Repo Cooker.
Yeah, okay,
or maybe no. It's I who created.
No, I think you can publish it.
I'll check it now.
So it's master now, right?
Repo Cooker.
Вира, вот она. Вирочка, вот она.
No, fortunately, I have no rights.
Okay. Yeah.
Have to wait a Christian. Oh.
So maybe we can finish this tomorrow, because I think Christian can just publish it and rerun the release, and then we continue from there.
Maybe, but it's Christian who could stop a translation live. I mean stream.
I have bad. My Wi-Fi is lagging, so I did not get it.
It's not a problem, I suppose, but it's still recording a stream on YouTube. What we can do here?
Bonne nuit. Elle est là, Léonore, encore? Ok, je viens de recevoir un message. Attends.
Oh, Christian?
Sorry, Emma was, she has a stomach ache. What's happening?
We need the repo cooker release, and you can share a rights to release, so we wouldn't block next time.
Let's see. Should I continue creating the JSON thingy for Cerebral as well?
First of all, you should release current state of
Yeah, you have to pull. I just pushed directly to master.
Yeah. This one, right? Yeah, 103.
I hope it's correct. I mean,
okay. Published.
And now
I totally rely on the tests to make sure my brain works at this hour, so I hope everything's okay.
Should I do something more, or?
Bump the version requirement. Did you do this in package system of Cerebral?
You can create a PR for it.
If you want to save some time, we just bump package this on for Apple Cooker dependency, and if we want to check from scratch, we just drop a cache and wait about minutes.
Yeah, I'm creating the PR now. That's it.
Cancel. Notch. Okay. Irina also woke up here.
Oh.
And doesn't look sleepy at all. just wants to play.
I feel like I could sleep for 2 weeks.
Yeah, me too.
I just finished my 84th song today.
Is the music being affected by your project? Like, is it, or are you still finding motivation and inspiration? And
I don't know. No, it's really like improving. I mean, I don't have time to do every detail correctly now, but my ear has improved, so I know what I could do better. So that's a big motivation.
Oh, that's cool.
And also, like, I've put so much energy, I want to finish it, like it's failing. Like I have 5 weeks to go or 4. Yeah. But yeah, with kids at home, like I have 4 kids at home these days.
Oh, 4.
Yeah, the baby and the 3 grown-ups.
Yeah.
So that's yeah.
How's it going with the baby? It's
really
sleeping.
Yeah, she starts to get up also at night. No, but we'll see this weekend. I'm alone with 5 kids. It's gonna be intense. Like Muriel is going to walk with friends, and I'm alone with the baby. And
how old is the oldest one of those?
The whole series, it's my son. He's 16.
Oh, okay, so you can get some help.
Yeah, they're nice.
Yeah.
They'll do some cooking and stuff.
Okay, great.
But still, yeah. No, yeah, I think it's gonna be cool. But yeah, as I said, I could sleep forever.
Yeah, I'm going into paternity leave next week on Wednesday. That's going to be exciting.
What do you? Are you full-time on leave?
Yeah, so it's 10 weeks.
Cool.
Yeah.
So you're going to spend time going in the park and stuff like that?
Yeah.
I love this.
Yeah, the park and like lunch at the office, and like you have to do stuff. You'll go crazy, I think.
Yeah, you have to find a way to meet other parents in the same energy.
Yeah.
Same rhythm, like it's easy.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you're with people who don't have a kid, they just don't get why you're interrupted and so on.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt you, but
it's running.
I see something wrong. It's already a few minutes on one line. It says SRC view index.
Yeah, I see the same.
And it just pre-publish step, and it's stale.
Yeah, it's just as if Travis just.
Yeah, it's working too much. That's concurrency at work.
Should we start the build or keep waiting?
Give it a few more. By the way, someone made a React to Word. So you can write React components and then it builds to a Word file. It's very creative.
I'd love to see something to make PDF files actually in the browser.
Oh yeah.
Because that's really something I'm missing from server-side rendering.
Mm-hmm.
I'm waiting something power like LaTeX, but easier.
It's still stuck. Maybe we have, like used all of our Travis quota for today.
Yeah.
I think it would be set with an error, not just stacking.
Okay.
I think it's probably better to try to restart before the training for a few minutes.
Okay.
Еще один убежал.
Ikke lenge. Ja, jeg tror det var det. Nå skal jeg legge henne ned, så begynte hun sånn. Ja. Nei, det har jeg gjort mange ganger. Men jeg tror hun har vondt. Ja. Ja, men ja.
Now it hangs even sooner. No, it's moving.
Oh, great.
Yeah. Yeah, I created this CMS and it had like 3,000 or 4,000 tests. And each time I had to change something for a client, I had to run the whole test suite to make sure I was not breaking anything.
Yeah.
And Jesus, you know, like you're looking at the dots, dot, and then it's all dots, so you think, okay, cool, everything's fine, and then near the end you have failure, and then, oh, this is really horrible. That's why they invented these things that, you know, focus on the tests, on files change and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm wondering, was there some quota for women in politics in your country, or did it just happen that there was some kind of parity?
That's a good question. I think there's a mix, actually. Like, we had this woman prime minister a few years back who was like this super awesome woman. And yeah, but I think there's some quota stuff as well.
Yeah, because I really have the feeling that until you have a certain amount, there's lots of questions that get ignored by males. And then things start to shift when there's a better equilibrium.
Yeah.
I really think that's a big part of why the North has these so much more advanced politics than us.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Or why we are retards, to say it, basically. Yeah. Male politics is really a shame.
Yeah, yeah, especially when you see, like now, every picture on Trump, you have like 20 males, old males, standing behind him.
Yeah, no, that's incredible.
Yeah.
But like issues of parental leave, issues of like domestic work and stuff like that. Okay, so no, this is becoming really like torture.
Yeah.
I think we have to do testing with the depths of less than 50 on our side, because this is driving me nuts.
Yeah.
Not sure we can finish this today, though.
Yeah, I'm super tired as well.
Yeah, so I propose that we do some research on this trailer, and maybe we can just start the script again tomorrow, because I think this is the last, hopefully, last bug.
Yeah.
But I have to do some testing with this depth of 50 here. Solve it properly, and I'm not able to do this now. I don't think so.
Yeah, no worries.
I just checked the comment hash that outputted now, and it's shifted exactly on one commit. So it's definitely depth problem.
It's a depth problem?
Yes.
But why is it going this far?
Yeah, they should identify an action that causes a problem.
Yeah, so
I have a suggestion. Could we set up a remote debugger from Travis on somewhere with public port?
Interesting suggestion.
Because we can see at least failing action, I suppose, or maybe we just could make better output into console.
No, but I can do a checkout with 50 lines and just do this on my side. That's easy.
Yeah.
Because the line of the checkout is listed up there, so I can just copy it and do the same. Let me see. Okay, let's do that. So let's test it here with the debugger running. Okay.
Nie wiem. Ja uwielbiam patrzeć, jak maszeruje wojsko.
Это еще там. Это Хенри.
Okay.
Poznałaś coś pierwszego? Не показалось, но Роня, похоже, все показать. Ты понимаешь, такой самый знак. Самый знак. А вот если не офигел, Подать и спаднуть человек. Свое ждание спад. А ты спать, по-моему, туда. Они все не станут, правда.
Okay, so I have my 50 lines of Cerebral, my 50 commits. So npm run release. Okay. So I get the error, but it's not in the debugger. Doesn't have enough time to connect. So
We should set a timeout around running.
Maybe we should try increasing depth on the other side at the same time while you are trying to fix it is 50. We can try to release with more than 50.
Oui, j'ai pas tout fini.
Sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, just put 200 for now, and then we'll change this later.
So we should edit Travis YAML file again.
I don't know where this comes from.
I just pushed the greatest depths.
Ah,
So even 100 depths is not enough. 1,000.
Yes.
We have 1,500 commits at all. I especially used a value that not covers all of them.
Yeah, I don't understand why it's doing that.
So either we should define a depth that includes all the commits now, or fix it at the root.
Get latest tag matching name. But that's not the right version. But I'm not sure it's the right version. That's dependency 102. Strange. Did you know, Christian? Did you build the before publishing Repo Cooker? Did you run the publish script?
Yeah, it has a pre-publish.
Because I just installed it, and it looks like it's the old code.
Okay, because Travis detected the changes in these files when it packed cache. So there was indicated that exactly these files were changed.
Because that's so. Why is it wrong? Get this tag matching name, not git tag list.
It doesn't look related to tags at all. It just goes through the all commits in history.
Yes, but my code is not the one released with Repo Cooker. So there's a bug here.
Let me check it too.
Because we should have only one resolution of tags, but we are doing promise all in get latest tag matching name. So the change is not published. Something is wrong.
It's strange because definitely saw that that file was changed.
Because I just did npm install here, and let me show you with my screen. Maybe I'm just being... Okay, so I have so this. Whoops! This is the code. Do you see it?
Yes.
The new code. So it's just finding the right tag first, and then it's resolving just this tag. But this is what I have in Node modules. So here we are resolving all tags.
Okay, let me check on my side.
If you do npm install repo cooker, what do you have?
Get latest tag. Where is this file?
It's in so it's in lib cooker.
Oh, Git provider.
And the git provider, and then get latest tag matching name. Yeah.
No, I have no promise all here.
Oh, so what happened with me? Strange.
I can share my screen.
Yeah, that's correct. Really strange. Okay. So let me try this again.
I have to go take care of little missus. Be right back.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's with publishing.
What?
Pre-publish running. Your latest, the latest fail, publish fail. Oh. Huh. Some npm
Need auth.
auth.
Oh, it's
fail.
npm add user.
So this is something, at least we are moving forward here.
Yeah.
This is...
But doesn't it log in with npm?
So let me check the script we have in Travis. Echo. So we have npm token, right? So this was...
This is for publishing.
Yeah, but this is what failed, so it means so yeah, it looks like the .npmrc should be maybe in home. Let me check.
Christian,
Mm-hmm.
we have a hanging machine, Travis, because it tries to reconnect on debugger.
Ooh. Yeah, I can make a... Is it running in production on Travis, or what should we check?
Where it defined? Is it in a repo cooker or in our site on Cerebral repo?
It's a good question. It's in Cerebral.
Okay. We can put here check for process and CI is not equal to.
What was the name? CI?
Yes.
Okay.
So CI true is on Travis and we just disabled the tools.
Yeah.
Will you make changes?
Do it.
Okay, so this is working. I cannot reproduce the bug here. Oh no, that's right. Git cerebral. Okay.
So even with limited depths, you have working flow.
Wait.
Or
I was
with NPM.
just check. I think I did something stupid. No, the NPM bug. I have no idea. Just check if it's the right token. If this is correct.
I tried to reset set the token again.
Okay.
We'll see if it helps.
Okay, so threads release. Okay.
Я заканчиваю, собственно, сейчас заканчиваю, с чего я буду.
So I don't get it. Get history from hash. Like say, I think it's the history thing. We should interrupt it once we find the hash, otherwise it just continues. Oh, he's gone. Christian? You know, when we check for to get all the hash until the tag, well, up to the tag, we have this history on, blah, blah, blah. And this thing actually continues, and that's what is raising the error, I think. It just wants to go up to the origin. It just doesn't stop. Get history from hash. So if we have just one missing commit, it would break.
Oh.
So it's stupid. So I have to find a way to to stop it. Okay. So maybe we have a clue here. Repo. Okay. Get hash list from hash. Yeah, that's it. So is it now running with the new token? So failing again. Is this the new one?
It should be the new one, but disable debugger haven't worked.
Okay. Yeah.
For some reason.
Yeah, it didn't work.
Okay. Now I'm setting personal token for NPM. What's happening? I have checked that token is working for me.
Let's try this. Yeah, that's stupid. Yeah. That's annoying. So we have no way to not have the full history for now. Because when it's walking back, it's not actually an event-based thing. It's just getting the full history and then doing its thing. So when we do commit history, it just gets everything. So we have to find a way to walk back from commit to commit instead of using this like history shortcut that they gave us.
Okay.
Well, that's yeah. So that's one bug, and then the other one is this auth thing.
Yeah, I guess we have to authorize Travis to do release, like.
Okay.
I don't know how it works, but probably find some Google stuff. Cool. Should we just say that's it for now?
What happened?
We have another run.
It's running. Get parents.
I didn't get it.
Fail again.
Yeah, we need this stuff here. We need this.
Christian, maybe you can try set your NPM token.
On the Travis thing there. What do you mean in Travis? I think we need I think we need what I pasted on Discord. We have to change our Travis file.
So they have a walker that goes along the history step by step. So we can use that. Walker next. have walk.
I also added a flag to skip tests to make it faster to test. Christian, maybe just faster your NPM token as environment variable.
Yep.
Because mine too failed.
Okay, I changed it.
Changed?
Yep.
Restart?
Yep.
It should be fast. Test are skipped now.
So it could be that the token was invalid?
I just generated two, one for Cerebral.js user and one for my user, and both failed. I don't know what's happening now.
Okay. So this is the moment. Fail. Shit.
Nope.
No idea.
So guys have to go.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's 3:30.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good night.
Yeah. Good night.
Good night. Yeah, I'll have to go too.
Yeah.
We have to find a way to run just npm who am I or something like that. Find a command that just checks auth without running anything else. And we do this I think we can make a PR. Probably I can just try something where I just have this special Travis script. Could help.
NPR, NPM token is the set.
Yeah, it's not there. But I think I have to fix this by just skipping all the rest. Yeah. We'll see tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Yeah, also for this history walking thing, it will take some time to fix correctly. It's a totally different API, so yeah.
Yeah.
I created the issues in Repo Cooker for things that we have to change. And, yeah.
Oh, awesome. Awesome. Awesome.
Okay, good night, guys.
Cool.
Okay, bye.
Good night. Good night.
Bye, good night.